Chapter 4. The Earliest Masters, Birwapa and Sakya Pandita. Dorje Shugden's earliest recorded incarnation was one of the legendary 84 mahasiddhas of India, Birwapa. The mahasiddha Birwapa, an emanation of Manjushri, was especially famed for his erudite teachings and ability to manifest many miracles. He could even stop the sun from setting. During the day, he studied and meditated on the sutra teachings, and during the night, he engaged in highly advanced practices.
Look at Birwapa! How dare he bring women into the monastery?
It's a disgrace. We should tell him to leave. Birwapa actually means bad man, which was a name he received because some monks at Nalanda Monastery misunderstood that Birwapa was entertaining ordinary women. In reality, it was the Buddha Vajrayogini and her entourage of celestial dakinis.
O Vajrayogini, the great bliss queen and your entourage, I am so blessed with your visit.
Birwapa later took rebirth in Western Tibet as the Great Lama of the Sakya tradition, Sachen Kunga Gyaltsen, more commonly known as Sakya Pandita. Sakya Pandita was very special as a young man. Sakya Pandita's name spread far and wide, reaching even to the Chinese emperor, who developed deep faith in him and the Buddha Dharma. Then, Sakya Pandita took rebirth as Buton Rinchen Drup in Western Tibet. As a child, he could converse directly with Manjushri. Buton Rinchen Drup had attained compassion and bodhicitta in his speech and action. He focused on teaching and writing and translated many scriptures from Sanskrit into Tibetan. Among these many texts, he wrote 26 volumes of commentaries on Dharma practice, Kangyur, the spoken words of the Buddha, and Tangyur, the commentaries of Buddhist teachings.